Sarah, a spirited young traveler, embarked on a whirlwind adventure to Colombia, eager to immerse herself in its vibrant culture. With only 48 hours to explore, she wasted no time. From the moment she landed in Bogotá, Sarah was captivated by the bustling streets and colorful architecture. Her first stop was the historic La Candelaria district, where she wandered through cobblestone streets adorned with street art and colonial buildings. With each step, she savored the aroma of freshly brewed Colombian coffee wafting from quaint cafes. Next, Sarah ventured to the lively Palaquimao market, where she indulged in exotic fruits and sampled traditional Colombian delicacies like arepas and empanadas. The bustling atmosphere and friendly locales made her feel right at home. As the sun began to set, Sarah ascended the slopes of Monserrate, a towering mountain overlooking Bogotá. At the summit, she marveled at the panoramic views of the sprawling city below, illuminated by the warm glow of twilight. On her final day, Sarah embarked on a thrilling excursion to the Cocora Valley, home to Colombia's iconic wax palms. Trekking through lush green valleys and misty cloud forests, she felt a profound connection to nature. As her 48 hours in Colombia drew to a close, Sarah reflected on the whirlwind of experiences that had filled her heart with joy and wonder. Though her time was brief, the memories she had made would last a lifetime, inspiring her to continue exploring the world with boundless curiosity and enthusiasm.